When you receive your Tedee Lock, inside the box you will find the instruction manual, your QR code, your Allen key to attach the lock, your charging cable and the Tedee Lock itself. The instruction manual will help you from start to finish installing your lock and downloading the app onto your phone. We are now removing the fun term knob with the Allen key in preparation for the Tedee Lock. Now the thumb turn knob has been removed, we're ready to put the Tedee Lock onto the cylinder. We're just lining it up and using the Allen key again to tighten the small screw that sits within the Tedee Lock. Now you want to head over to your app store and type Tedee SPZOO, and there you can see the app. Once you've downloaded it, you can create a profile and then you're going to want to scan the QR code that came within your box. This will now connect your Tedee Lock to your smartphone device and you can begin the calibration. The Tedee Lock app will now guide you through the calibration. Here you can see it's telling you to turn the cylinders into a locked position, then turn them back into an unlocked position. And here it will also do the pull spring, which goes inside when the door unlocks. Your device is now calibrated, and here you can see us demonstrating that, the cylinders going in and out. The Tedee Lock only needs charging once every 6 to 10 months. Here you can see the cable is magnetic, so should the door be opened whilst charging, the cable will come away safely. And finally, you can see us demonstrating the Tedee Lock on one of our girder doors within our showroom, with the door unlocking and locking.